Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about shaft and coupling. What is shaft? What is coupling? Right? After completion of this chapter, you can design shaft and coupling. Okay, shaft. What is shaft? Shaft is a rotating machine element which is used to transmit power from one place to another. How the power is delivered to the shaft? The power is delivered to the shaft by some tangential force and axial movement, twisting movement. Right? In order to transmit power from one place to another, the various members are mounted on it, such as gears and pulleys. Right? These members are exerted upon each. This causes a shaft and bending moment. Types of shaft. Shaft can be classified into two types. First one is transmission shaft, second one is machine shaft. Right? At first, transmission shaft. It transmits power between the source and the machine absorbing power. The counter shaft, line shaft, overhead shaft, and all factory shafts are transmission shaft. Since these shafts carry machine parts such as gears and pulleys, etc. Therefore, they are subjected to bending in addition to twisting. Next, going to discuss about machine shaft. These shafts form an integral part of the machine itself. The crankshaft is the suitable example for machine shaft. Next, stresses in shaft. What are the stresses occur in shaft? Shear stress due to the transmission of torque, right? Next, bending stresses due to the force acting upon the machine elements like gears, pulleys, etc., as well as due to the weight of the shaft itself. Stresses due to combined torsional and bending loads. Next, we are going to discuss about various types of stresses. These are the various types of stresses occur in shaft. Okay, from this figure, we can see the shaft is bending. Okay, the shaft is supported on fixed on both sides, right? The force is exerted upon the shaft. Okay, the shaft is trying to bend and twisting. Okay, from this figure, the stress concentration area also shown. Okay, right and left. That arrow direction is marked select section of concentrated stress, right? And in center point, the point of maximum bending moment. Okay, if the force is exerted upon the shaft in center of the beam means, right, the shaft is trying to bend. The maximum force is exerted upon the shaft in the center of the beam. Okay, design of shaft. How to design shaft? Shaft can be designed based on the strength and rigidity. Already we know what is strength. Means the ability to resist external force, right? The stiffness means the ability to resist deformation under stress. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss based on the strength and stiffness, we can design shaft and we can solve more problems. Okay. In designing shaft on the basis of strength and the following causes may be considered. Right. First one is shaft subjected to twisting movement or torque only. Right. Next one is shaft is subjected to bending movement only. Then the shaft is subjected to combined twisting and bending moment. Right? Final one is the shaft is subjected to axial loads in addition to combined to the bending loads, torsional bending loads, right? Based on this condition, we can solve many problems. Okay, thank you. From the next class, we can solve more problems.